I gave you my heart.
We're going to make a new recipe today. So right now I have in the wok just some artichoke hearts, marinated artichoke hearts. We're going to let those cook and get a little searing on them. This is one of my quick Italian recipes. And I'll show you the jar that we get in a minute. So these are the jars that we get from Costco. I'll put in the description how much they are. I think they're like $8 or something. Really great value. Use them for all kinds of stir fry. And then when I'm done with it, that's where I store my used oil. So they come in handy. Next step, we're going to use this pasta from Italy. I don't use salt because I have a heart condition, so I put a little bit of oil. I actually prefer the oil to the salt. And then we're going to put the fettuccine in now. Okay, drop the fettuccine in. So we'll let that cook up. Still got our artichoke here. See, these are getting like I like. See how they got that brownness to them? That's what you want. I use my wok. It's kind of crazy. I use a wok to make a bunch of Italian food, but I love it. So I will come back in a minute when all the artichoke are done. Okay, our next step is we're going to make the Alfredo sauce. I do not use store-bought Alfredo sauce to make my pastas. I make it from scratch. So we have garlic, heavy whipping cream, whole milk, Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of butter. Now, if you're doing just a meal for two, you're going to use 1/3 of a cup, and if you're doing a larger meal, 1/2 of a cup of heavy whipping cream and 1/2 a cup of whole milk. But we're going to use 1/3 of a cup because this is a smaller meal. Also, if you have a lot of vegetables, you will use the 1/2 a cup. Alright? Okay, before we put the milk and the whipping cream, I just put 2 tablespoons of butter and the garlic in here. So you want to get that all married with the artichoke hearts. And I'm not using a tripod tonight, so bear with me. So you're just going to wait until the butter is melted. And then we're going to add the whole milk and whipping cream. Alright, I got an extra hand, so I have a egg yolk. Now on the egg yolk, you got to be really fast. So I have my whole milk and my whipping cream in there. It's just warm, it's not hot. So you're going to throw your egg yolk in here, and you got to break it up super fast. Super fast, super fast. Therese, what's your favorite meal on the earth?
This one.
Alfredo of any kind, right? Shrimp, chicken, vegetable. Teresa loves her Alfredo. So you guys got to make sure that's why I'm using this spatula, because you can't use a whisk. Well, I guess you could use a nylon whisk, but can't use a whisk in a non-stick pan. So we're going to make sure that egg is all broken up because we don't want scrambled eggs. Now I'm going to add, I just eyeball my Parmesan cheese. It's about 1/3 of a cup. So if you've done 1/3 of a cup, actually it's about 2/3 of the cup. So it's equal to the milk and the whipping cream. So I'm just going to add that. That's about 2/3. I've made this so much, I know what it looks like. So we're just going to get that in there and then just smash those if you have any lumps from the Parmesan cheese. I prefer using the Kraft. I love fresh Parmesan as a topping, but on an Alfredo sauce, this is much easier, and it thickens up way better. Alright, so we're going to let that thicken up, and then we'll add the sausage and the noodles. These are our sausage links. We just have 2 there cut in half. Sweet Italian sausage in the air fryer. I have the Pro air fryer, the Power Air Fryer Pro. So I put those in at 350 for 18 minutes. I spray them with this extra virgin olive oil and then sprinkle them with granulated garlic, not garlic salt, just granulated garlic. And they look amazing, so I'm going to slice them and we're going to get them into our pasta. Alright, here we go. So the Alfredo is on low and it's gotten pretty thick. So we're going to add some scallions. I always add the green onions at the end because they cook. You don't need to cook them. You just need to get them pretty warm. If they're overcooked, they lose their punchiness. Sorry about that. So we're just going to mix that in. Then we're going to throw in our sausage. Coat that in. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then the final step is our Alfredo. Not our Alfredo. Our fettuccine noodles. So, got the fettuccine noodles in there. Just want to get these nice and covered with the sauce. Yeah, we don't really need to go to an Italian restaurant. We do at times. We love Casa de Amore. We have a Sicilian restaurant down the street. We used to go to Montesano's all the time, but they closed after, I think, 24 years in the valley. They retired. So, we do go to Siena Italian from time to time. So that is the sausage, artichoke, fettuccine, Alfredo. And I will put after I plate it, I'll put a picture at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this meal will serve you well. It takes about 20 minutes. It's pretty quick.